If you're an Australian, you've probably heard about the ban on disposable vapes. Well, I'm going to explain it so that you understand exactly what the law is. From the 1st of January 2024, there's going to be a suite of ban on the importation of single-use disposable vapes. You've probably seen the type, the purple ones, the yellow ones, the ones that have like unicorns on them. All of those are being banned because there's been a public health outcry and substantial evidence that shows very young people are now pretty addicted to vaping. And so the government's response is to put in a carpet ban on the importation of those products and really target vendors and suppliers with pretty strict laws, pretty strict regulations, and pretty hard enforcement. From March, there's going to be even more regulations put in place. Regulation that's going to make it quite challenging, difficult, and hard to get your hand on vapes. Now, there's also going to be a suite of new rules. For example, you can still access vapes, but they're going to kind of go the way of cigarettes, which means that they're going to come in plain packaging. They're going to be relatively unremarkable, and you're still going to be able to access those nicotine products, but you're going to have to go through a proper channel to do so. And the government has said this is really going to be targeting vendors, suppliers, and importers far more than it is individuals. They're not planning to penalize individuals as much as they're going to go after those people. I've already seen in my practice enforcement against situations like this with undercover operatives going into places, seeing if stores will supply to them, and those suppliers being hit with huge fines. Ultimately, the long and the short of it is it will be harder to access vapes moving forward. Follow me for more legal TikTok.